Mireille has run her salon for 11 years, and in 11 years, she has never once spent the first profit. The first good month, she did not buy anything for herself. She bought a second dryer. More dryers meant more clients at the same time. More clients meant more profit, and that profit bought a third chair. Nobody taught her that in a classroom. She learned it standing in her own shop. So when Tonton Eric explains reinvesting dividends, Mireille does not need convincing. She already lives it. She simply never knew it had a name. Here is the moment that decides everything. A dividend lands in your account. 30,000 francs, let us say, and there are only two buttons. Button A, spend it. The money leaves, and it never comes back. It bought something, and that is fine, but it will never earn again. Button B, buy more shares with it. And here is the part people miss. Those new shares also pay dividends. Your dividend just went out and hired more workers. More shares pay more dividends. More dividends buy more shares. That loop, running quietly for years, is the snowball from our compounding lesson. Now let us test it properly. Same money, same percentage. Only the rule changes. 5 million francs. An educational 4% per year. 20 years. Path A. She takes the dividends out and spends them. 5 million at 4% is 200,000 francs a year. Over 20 years, that is 4 million francs collected. Her original 5 million is still sitting there. Total, about 9 million francs. Path B. She reinvests every single dividend. The same 5 million compounding at 4% for 20 years becomes about 10,960,000 francs. 9 million against almost 11. A difference of roughly 1,960,000 francs, created by one rule and nothing else. No extra deposits, no cleverness, no luck. Now, to be fair to you, that is a simplified comparison. We are counting dividends only and holding the share price still, so you can see the effect of the rule by itself. In real life, there is a second engine running underneath. The shares themselves can also grow in value on top of every franc you just saw. They can fall too. But nothing in that comparison ate your capital. In both paths, Mireille still owns her shares. And here is what makes it beautiful. Stretch the same test to 30 years. Path A, about 11 million. Path B, about 16,200,000. The gap is now over 5 million francs. The rule did not change. The time did. Mireille understands that instantly, because it is the same reason her salon has 6 chairs and not 1. Now the honest part, because this is InvestCam and we do not sell dreams. Reinvesting does not remove risk. It multiplies whatever is happening. Dividends can still be cut. Markets still fall. And if the money you are reinvesting is money you will need in 6 months, you are not investing. You are gambling with your rent. Emergency money stays where it belongs, in the cushion, not in the orchard. So when do you press which button? Simple. While you are still building, press B. Reinvest. Let the snowball roll. Then when you actually need the income to pay the njangi, the light bill, the family trip, like Sylvie, you switch to A and you let the money come to you. Building years, reinvest. Living years, collect. That is the whole strategy, and it fits on one line. Look at the 2 jars. Before, dividends spent, and the portfolio stays the same size forever. After, dividends rehired, and the portfolio grows itself while you sleep. And Mireille's rule, translated from her salon to your portfolio: never spend the first profit. That closes our 3 lessons on income from investing. Next, the whole quartier comes together for something new. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Education only, educational examples, no advice, and no guaranteed returns. Join the free waitlist at InvestCam.net.